In terms of our current operations, we do a lot in terms of helping the environment, taking away a lot of waste from the waste stream and making it into a viable product. We are a rendering plant that actually help local farmers in terms of the poultry farming. So we produce local animal feeds. Currently, we generally use the largest part of our product is from fish waste and brewery spent grain, which before it would have just been dumped on the local landfills. But now it's been used in making a viable product, helping to remove a lot of the waste stream from the general landfills that is being used properly. On average, we process maybe about 4 to 5 ton on a weekly basis. It's animal feed predominantly for the poultry farm, but we also make a protein supplement that be used for pigs as well. We have done a wealth in terms of putting the business out there publicly. We have done tests that proves in terms of the product work. A lot of the farmers, because the poultry farming is done in rural areas, a lot of the farmers that we are targeting are economically challenged. So sometimes in terms of meeting the demand by their chicks, i.e. coming up with the funding to actually support the farm, it presents a lot of the problems. So the spending power is not exactly there. Definitely, it does have its place in our society. As it is, our current poultry bill is approximately 30 million as an import. If we could actually have even though a % of that in state, especially in the rural areas, you can imagine the economic impact it would have on our country.